What's up guys, Mitch with Panda Motorworks here, and today we are excited to give you a sneak peek at what we have in the works for the new Ford Maverick. If you saw our previous Maverick video, we got the opportunity to get behind the wheel, and we are super impressed by the total package that the Maverick offers. The 2-liter Ecoboost engine and 8-speed transmission truly shine in this application. Paired with the all-wheel drive system, there's a lot to love from both a performance and practicality standpoint. Powertrain aside, the Maverick offers unparalleled practicality for a vehicle in this price point. Now this isn't a full-size pickup truck, so it is fairly limited on the truck stuff you can do with it. Even with the 4K tow package, towing is limited and the bed is much smaller than that of a full-size truck. But even with these drawbacks, it fits the bill for a large majority of truck owners' needs. Given its relatively small package, it has a very clever design that maximizes the usable space of the truck. It offers a spacious crew cab and 4.5-foot bed. This is a win in our eyes, especially when you consider the MSRP is right around $25K for an XL, like in this configuration you see behind us. We have this 2022 Ford Maverick XL with the 2-liter and all-wheel drive in the shop today for a little bit of R&D while we wait for our Maverick to be delivered in the very near future. We've got some exciting stuff in the pipeline, so you won't want to miss any of it. We've already begun developing our Panda power module for this platform to unlock the potential of the 2-liter that's tucked away inside this mini truck. We can't wait to unveil some numbers very soon. We will also be test fitting a variety of accessories such as wheel and tire packages, lifts and lowering springs, lighting upgrades, including various forms of off-road lighting from some of the biggest names in the industry, along with much, much more. So stay tuned to the channel for a lot more Maverick content as we continue to R&D this awesome little truck. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and click that notification bell, and we will see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.